Hi, my name is Brittany Whitaker. In this video, I will discuss pure cultures and streak plates. To begin, a pure culture is a culture of bacteria that only contains one type of microorganism. A culture of bacteria containing multiple types of microorganisms is called a mixed culture. Pure cultures are important in microbiology because it allows researchers the opportunity to identify bacteria and determine antibiotic sensitivity. To achieve a pure culture, you can do a streak plate procedure. The streak plate method is used in microbiology in order to isolate a single colony of microorganisms for the purpose of studying that microorganism. To begin the streak plate method, you must turn on your Bunsen burner and flame an inoculating loop to sterilize it. After allowing the loop to cool, you can gently scrape the edge of the small colony of bacteria off of the bacterial plate sample with the loop. You will now transfer the bacteria to the agar plate by gently rubbing the loop across the top left corner of the plate multiple times. When this is finished, you must flame the loop in order to sterilize it again. Rotate the plate counterclockwise 45 degrees to be sure that you are working on a clean area of the agar medium, while also staying in the top left corner. Use the sterilized loop to make contact with the edge of the first streak and rub back and forth in that new area in the top left corner multiple times. Sterilize the inoculating loop again by putting it over the Bunsen burner. Again, you will rotate the agar plate 45 degrees counterclockwise and use the loop to contact the edge of the second streak. Now, you will again rub the loop back and forth multiple times. Sterilize the loop again and repeat this process once more using the final quadrant of the agar plate. Flame the inoculation loop after the completion of the streak plating. The streak plate must now be inverted and incubated at 37 degrees for the following 24 hours. After this time period, the colonies will be grown and ready to be examined. The desired outcome of a streak plate is to obtain a well-isolated colony from a mixed population into a pure culture. Clinically, the success of obtaining a pure culture from a clinical specimen is important because it allows for healthcare providers to determine this microorganism's virulence, its antibiotic susceptibility, and its genome sequence. By determining this, healthcare providers are given the opportunity to provide the adequate antibiotics and suggest appropriate treatments. This again explains what a pure culture is and how you will obtain a pure culture using the streak plate method, and later explains how streak plates are clinically relevant. Thank you for listening.